Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play RimWorld online. First, you will need to install the multiplayer mod from the Steam Workshop. This mod is community-driven and enables online play. Remember to also install the Harmony mod, which is a crucial dependency for many RimWorld mods, including this one. Once downloaded, activate both mods in your game's mod menu, then restart RimWorld to apply the changes. To start a multiplayer session, one player will act as the host. They should first launch a regular single-player game, choosing their desired scenario and starting colonists. It is critical that every player has an identical mod list and the same downloadable content activated to prevent synchronization issues. Once the game world loads, the host can pause the game and access the multiplayer menu to initiate hosting. Joining a friend's game offers a few options. The easiest way is often through Steam, where you can simply join directly from your friends list. Alternatively, you can connect over a local area network if you are physically close, or use a direct IP connection. For direct connections, the host might need to configure their router to forward port 30502 using UDP or use a virtual private network. For the best multiplayer experience, clear communication is key. Consider using voice chat for real-time coordination. While there's no strict player limit, the mod creators recommend playing with up to 8 people for optimal performance. You can even set up multiple colonies, allowing each player to manage their own settlement within the same world, fostering unique cooperative or competitive dynamics across the planet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.